Hi guys, I'm Pete. This is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this new multi-time frame analysis that probably will be the last multi-time frame analysis in this month, just because as every year in on this time, volumes are getting lower and lower, so lots of fake signals, etc., etc. You know the story. Today, just want to focus on NZD Japanese yen, in which I will consider a short, operation, short trade. Now I'll tell you why. Beginning from the daily time frame, we can see this trend line. Let me draw as better as I can. We have this trend line, that is broken here on the 8th of July and already retested, here. But it will possible that obviously this trend line will be retested also in the future. Anyway, what is springing to my mind, and we can see so much clearer on the 4-hour time frame, is this channel, in which we have this trend line and this trend line. I don't know if this will be the right. No, let me draw as better as I can this trend line. Yes, like this. So as you can see, now price is in this very important dynamic resistance. Maybe here we have also an Elliott wave. Let me see. After a strong bullish momentum, we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably 5 now here. This is, look, this is a very powerful signal, just because it's the first weakness signal that we have after a very strong bullish momentum, bullish movement. We have here a double top. That is confirmed. Look how many times price reacted here, and then here a very huge liquidity catching. Second signal of weakness. This is Wyckoff, guys. Second signal of weakness, and then lower lows and lower highs. So obviously, what do I expect now? I do expect the price that make this kind of movement. At least here. In this let me see, in this strong area. Obviously I do not enter for a short here, just because I need a confirmation. Just because price could also do this kind of movement. No, sorry, could make this kind of movement. Fake going to the down, breakout, retest, and then I'm going to retest the daily trend line. So I need a confirmation, and my confirmation, my trigger is on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me first, drawing this trend line again. So we have here, and the higher trend line is this one. So as you can see, price seem to react to this resistance, the dynamic resistance. Okay, but anyway, I need confirmation. I need uh, bullish a bullish confirmation. Okay, where is my personal bullish confirmation? Is here. Okay, I need the price that make this kind of movement. Okay, just because this is the 200 EMAs and I want the price below the 200 EMA. But first of all, I want for the price to broke this structure, which is probably the last buyer's dominance that we have, in which, as you can see, from this impulse made this high and this high, also this one, but it is that is the structure in which price is now. But to be honest, I prefer uh, in this case, just because we are in August, so as I told you, volumes are getting lower and lower. I need more conservative, okay, confirmations. Okay, so I need for the price to broke the structure, retested, or probably let me see. Yes, going to retest this kind of area. Okay, here, and then finally to go short. Okay. What about, so this is could be the entry, stop loss, just few pips below, above the higher high, and as I told you, this will be the TP. This is 2.3 risk reward ratio. So it is not so much. I know that, but to be honest, is the best that I personal can do right by now. Just because we are on Friday, we are on 6th of August, so it's not the best time to trade with this strategy. Okay, that's the reason why I want to be sure that that price is going is melting to the down. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, I hope you like this multi-time frame analysis. Let me know what you think about in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. I probably will be on the second half of August. Okay, thank you, bye.